Hi folks, welcome to Coding World. Today in this video we are going to see about basic if else check in our Scala program. So whenever we are coding for a machine learning program, these if else are needed for the check condition. So let's start with some basic example. We will use a Scala file. In that file we will write our code and we will load that file using Spark shell where we have Scala inbuilt. Okay. So I will create a var name hello coding world. Now we will use this var to for if condition, like if name dot contains coding, then we will print the below sentence on our console. So welcome coding, else we will print doesn't contain coding does not contain. Yes. So like this if else condition we can apply in a Scala. It's mostly same like our Java program. If you are who have experience in Java, it will be easy for those folks. And if you are not even, it will be simple for you because the sentence are self-explanatory. So now let's load this file using a Scala shell. Here it is my Scala console. So now load our if else program. Yes. So we have successfully loaded our if else program and you are getting output like welcome coding because in that given var name we have a coding word. So like this you can use if else. We will use one more like else if name dot contains like world, and here we will make it as a false, so it will come to the if else if sentence. So I'm saving this and loading the if else Scala file again. Yeah, coding does not contain. Like this, if you can code for the if else if. Yeah. So in this video, this is for the if else. Thank you.